That should be good for everyone. We'll come back for all that in a moment. Oh, wrong thing. Beautiful. Nice. Let's see if these plorts went in here. Nice. Then we gotta do that. The plort collector. And then we'll do another plort collector for that other one as soon as we get the money for it. For now, there's 3 carrots. We leave them there. They'll eat them eventually. They'll go in there. Beautiful. Those plorts will be collected. These plorts will be collected. And then this guy gets thrown away. So let's see if this guy's hungry again. Is he? No, he fucking left out. Let's hold on to that phosphor for now. Alright, what we can do here is that into that. Okay. Nice. We still have some more pogo fruit. So let's do a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that works, I guess. What's this? A whole nother area back here. Did not know that existed. I'm not gonna lie, guys. The way I found out about this game was through Mr. Fruit. For those of you who don't know him, one of my favorite YouTubers. Okay. Once we get all of this, that Tabby coming in clutch. Is Tabby blue a combination? Because if so, that could be a thing. This is risky. Quite risky. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, right now. Oh, I'll be back for you. Actually, let's just make it easier. They're gonna want that anyway. Okay. That should be enough to get us to 5. Yeah, that's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. 500. Plort collector down. Nice. Next up, we should try and get auto feeders. So is that all the plorts in there? Yes, it is. Okay. So let's get these plorts, and then should we build this corral with those plorts? Or no? How much is an auto feeder? Let's go see abilities while that's being collected. Tank booster Mark II power core. I don't have water tank yet, but I haven't even seen any water. I think we should go tank booster soon. Or I'll be back for you guys. I'll be back for you and your plorts. Okay. So what we want is more phosphorus slimes to replace the blues. We need some more food, which is just about pogo fruit, and I'll take carrots. anything down there. Oh, there was like one pogo fruit, not worth it. Yo, boy. That's hilarious. Hens are food. Oh boy. I'm out. We got Enemusos coming in. Alright, we got a little bit of food from that. No new slimes though. Wait, Phosphoros eat fruit. Right, okay. So, we're gonna do a phosphor feed. Oh boy. Oh boy, a triple! Mom, get the camera! Is that a hen? Yes it is. Or we gotta wait for stamina basically. Oh boy, wrong way to go. Alright, let's move. There we go. This is like surprisingly just relaxing, yo. Like dog, actually. These guys take veggies. They've got food in there, they're good. They've got food in there, they're good. Come eat that. Yes. God damn it.
I'm playing too, I'm just bored.
But isn't it so surprisingly relaxing?
My game that I'm playing is really relaxing. I actually almost just fell asleep like 5 seconds ago.
What game?
Astroneer.
Yeah, but guys, we're gonna be playing some more Overwatch and Gigantic tonight, so don't worry about that.
We're just sort of taking a little break right now.
Yeah.
Guys, it's RIP Crazy. He's never coming back, I don't think so. Sorry to say that.
Where the hell am I phosphor? What? Boy. Trigger. Yes. Please supply me with your money. Alright, so we're starting to make an income off these little chickers. So that's good. I think I know the first thing I gotta do. Boy. I'm making money. Let's just go get 5 reds. Just to make a little bit more income off these guys. Because a little bit of money is still money. And if they eat anything, then that's just amazing. Okay. We got carrots, we got some plorts. That was a good small run there. That's 5. Okay. Looking good, making progress. Nice.
Rudolph the
Those
red-nosed
reindeer.
And if you ever saw it, you'd even say it gives good blowjobs. Boy.
Oh my god. Okay. How much are these each? Please put me at 200. Nice. Oh, it's 250. Damn it. Okay. These guys just have to wait to. Oh, beautiful. I don't think that's enough though. No. Yeah, I don't know what those other dudes are. Heart modded. Okay, cool. Starting to get late, so I guess we can do a small one for some food. And then we'll take a slipper. Ooh, yes. Oh boy. Because we have these. Wait, what do they eat? They eat everything. Okay. But then we also need an air net. No. We need the air net, so that's a no. Some fruits coming in. Some phosphor plorts. Oh boy, we're out. When in doubt, plort it out. Oh, there's carrots. Okay. Alright, we got a lot of fruit. One, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a lot of food going on in there. I hope too much food doesn't do anything bad.
Somebody needs to invite me to the party. I'm gonna join it really quick.
Alright, cool. Okay. They're eating again. So we're gonna get some more plorts off of that. I'll see you guys on the next